Hey guys, so now that you have clicked on this video, it has completely become my duty and my responsibility to change the way you think about astrophysics and space in general. Just wait for it till the end of the video. So let's talk about black holes, let's talk about dark matter and dark energy. These are terms you might have heard, and you might have heard that they are invisible. But have you thought that if they are invisible, then how do we really detect them? Well, so let's start with black holes. To understand black holes, you have to understand a phenomena that black holes are usually a part of a binary system. They are along with a main or a companion star which emits certain materials. It's called as the Roche-Lobe overflow mechanism, where these materials just come through the L1 point and they just spiral around the black hole to create something called as an accretion disk. Now this accretion disk interacts with not maybe visible light, but it interacts with X-rays, it interacts with gamma rays, it interacts with radio waves, and this is the method by which we detect them. There are certain satellites like NuSTAR, XMM Newton, etc. These satellites, what they do is they count the photons related to this X-ray emitted by the accretion disk, this gamma ray, these radio waves emitted by the accretion disk. So the black hole is not detected directly, but it is detected through certain influence it has on its surroundings. And the same goes with dark matter. Dark matter cannot be seen or is not associated with any such kind of phenomena. But in dark matter, what happens is it has immense gravitational influence. It influences the things that are around it. So through that, what we do is, through its gravitational influence, we try to detect that what is the percentage of dark matter in the universe, how much dark matter is present, and where it is present. So these are some of the methods, and we also use the method of gravitational waves, which is a very modern method, to detect all these invisible objects in space, and they are a completely different domain. There are a lot of things to know about them, to research about them, and if you want to get all of this content easily and on YouTube, which has never been before, subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.